Sarah, welcome to Uncle Randeaux Show, the Uncle Randeaux Cajun Kitchen. Welcome back, or if you're your first time, welcome. We're glad to see you. Now, this show is about roux. And there's two ways to cook roux. This one we're going to show you is called bake a roux. All right, now what we're going to do is very, very easy. We're going to show you how to do that. It's not a problem. In fact, it's the easiest way of all because it's really not much to do. You can look right here. You can see we have 1 cup of oil, 2 cups of flour. It's 2 to 1. All right, this baker roux, you can make it. It's easy. And you're going to have a lot extra. In fact, when I first started to learn this a long, long time ago, it was a quart of oil and 2 quarts of flour. And it would last me almost a year. Didn't go bad. I just ate it all. Right? You can use roux for a lot of things. You can use it for your gumbo. You can use it for sauce piquant. You can use it when you need some extra gravy. All kind of things you're going to learn because we're going to teach you here how to do that. We're going to teach you how to make the roux. Okay, now this is very easy. I got a pot that I can put in the oven. Make sure you got a pot you can put in the oven. You don't want it to melt, you don't want it to burn. I always like my good old cast iron pots. Very easy to do. You take your flour, 2 cups. All right? That's all there is to it. I'm going to put my oil right in. Okay? Now, you let that drip a little bit. I take my wooden spoon. I always like my wooden spoon. I stir it up real good. I'm going to stir this up till it's all mixed together. It's going to be one gooey mess, but all the white flour has to be gone. So we're going to make sure it's all like this. See how it's turning into one kind of pasty color here. It's really very easy. That's all you have to do. All right, once you've done that, the only thing left to do is to put it in the oven. All right, see that right there? Perfect. It's all you need for that. You're going to make a beautiful roux right there. We're going to put it in the oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. When it's 400 degrees, we're going to put that pot right in the oven on the middle rack. Okay, it's in the middle rack. So we're going to keep it there so it's at nice even heat, and then you close her up in the oven. My friend, all you have to do now is every 15 minutes for the next hour and a half, stir the pot. Okay, stir it around. If you don't do that, it won't turn nice and brown. You want a nice brown roux. All right, your oven's at 400 degrees already. All right, 15 minutes, you stir it a little bit, stir it all around. All right, close it back up. 15 minutes later, you come back, you do that again. You're going to do it for each time, and you'll see what a nice, beautiful brown that is.
I know this girl from the country behind a sugar cane where they do their own thing and she just can't refuse it. Zydeco music, she like to move her feet, yeah, to the Zydeco beat.
We are now at about 1 hour. Take a look at this. See how it is getting nice and brown. We're going to stir it again. By the way, when you first do this and the first time you open it, you're going to think you need to add more oil because it's getting kind of maybe a little flaky or holding together. Don't do that yet. You might need to, but I doubt it. Look at this. If you remember from the first shot to here, it's nice and creamy almost now. Before it was not that way. All right, we're going to put it back in. Put it in the middle, close the door, see you in 15 minutes.
Getting back to this girl that I'm speaking to you of. She's crazy about Zydeco. So crazy.
Look here, my friends, this is 1.5 hours later. A rich, beautiful brown. All done. It's nice and creamy. It's going to be perfect for your gumbo, your sauce piquant, whatever you're going to need to make. We're going to make some etouffee. You need it for certain things. Here you go. You're all done. Perfectly done. Okay. A little bit closer look. Here you go, right here. This is ready. What you want to do now is let it cool, and I will tell you how to store it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We have finished our nice, beautiful roux. It's a dark brown. We've let it cool. You got to let it cool before you go pick it up. You burn your hands now. All right, and you can store this in any way you want. You can use some right now for your gumbo, your sauce piquant, your etouffee, but you got a little left over. Put it in the jar. Take a little jar. You can put it in plastic and just spoon it all in. This will keep forever almost, or at least a good year. I made it in great big batches and lasted a good year, and it was still good for me to use. So see what I'm doing? I'm putting it in the jar. It'll settle in. It'll hold in your refrigerator. It shouldn't go bad. Right? You can put it in many jars as you need. I got a couple of them here. And I'll be using this in Uncle Randeaux's Cajun Roux. Bonjour, mon ami.